Is it on? I can't tell. Are you sure? What red light? Oh, okay. That red light there. I see it. Okay, it's on. Am I in focus? Okay. Hi, Evan. This is Matthew. I just wanted to say that I was okay. I'm doing fine. Still hanging out here at your dad's house. Just wanted to say hi. And I guess I'll see you on Friday. You coming out on Friday, right? You're coming out on Friday? You'll see me on Friday, right? Yeah? Okay. That's cool. Alright. I just wanted to let you know that I was doing okay. Other than that, not too much going on. Had some honey today. Good honey. Other than that, let's see. You got anything? Nope. Okay. Alright, that's all. I just wanted to say hello because I heard you were concerned about me. So I just wanted to say hi and that I'm doing okay. Hi. So I will see you on Friday. Alright. Bye, Evan. Bye. How do you turn it off? You get it? Okay. Alright. Alright. Bye, Evan. Bye.